In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Google Support for Family Link. First, let's begin by opening the Google for Families Help Center. You can do this by navigating to support.google.com/families using your web browser. Once you arrive at the Help Center, you'll see a clean layout with various resources to assist you. This is your primary hub for all things related to Family Link. It's essential to start here as it provides a wealth of information that can help you resolve your issues quickly. This streamlined access ensures you are on the right path to getting the support you need. Next, you will need to sign in with the Parent or Family Manager Google account. Look for the Sign In option at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and enter the email and password associated with your account. This step is crucial because it allows Google to identify your account and provide personalized support. After signing in, you can proceed to gather information specific to your situation, which will make your support experience smoother and more efficient. Now that you are signed in, it's time to search for your Family Link issue or browse the help topics. You will notice a search bar at the top of the Help Center page. Type in keywords related to your issue, like screen time or location sharing. Alternatively, you can scroll through the help topics listed on the page. This is important because it helps you pinpoint the exact problem you are facing. Finding relevant information quickly saves you time and ensures you are taking the right steps to resolve your issue. If available, select the Contact Us option that appears on the screen. This button is usually highlighted and easy to find. By clicking this option, you will be taken to a new page where you can describe your issue in detail. Providing specific information helps the support team understand your problem better. This step is vital for ensuring that you receive the most accurate assistance tailored to your needs. Once you have described your issue, follow the prompts that appear on the screen. These prompts will guide you through the process of providing additional information. You may be asked to confirm details about your account or explain your issue further. Completing these prompts is essential as they prepare the support team to assist you effectively. You can feel confident that you are giving them all the necessary information they need to help resolve your issue. After that, you will need to choose an available support option such as chat or email. Depending on your account type and region, these options may vary. Click on the option that suits you best. If you prefer real-time help, choose chat. If you need time to think about your response, email might be better. This choice allows you to select a support method that fits your schedule and preferences. As a tip, you can also open the Family Link app on your mobile device. Tap your profile picture, then select Help and Feedback. This will give you access to help resources or allow you to send feedback directly through the app. Utilizing the app is convenient for on-the-go support and ensures you have resources at your fingertips. By following these steps, you will have successfully contacted Google Support for Family Link. Remember, getting the right help can make a significant difference in managing your family's online experience. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find the support you need.